If one day your cordless drill ends up in a condition like this, how would you deal with it? In today's video, join me as I inspect and repair this drill step by step. As you can see, I pressed the drill's power switch several times, but it still showed no response at all. This indicates that the drill is currently experiencing a problem and needs a closer inspection to determine the exact cause. First, I remove the battery to check it. I press the power button on the battery, but none of the 4 indicator lights turn on. This suggests that the battery may be fully discharged or have an internal issue. Next, I use its original charger to test whether the battery can still receive power. When I connect the battery to the charger indicator light does not turn on at all. This suggests that the issue could be related to the battery or the contact system. To make sure, I use 2 electrical clips connected to a light bulb and attach them directly to the charger's output terminals. The bulb lights up immediately, proving that the charger is still working properly and supplying power. Next, I place 2 washers into the battery contact slots to create easier testing points. Then, I connect the light bulb clips to these washers. But this time, the bulb does not light up at all. This confirms that the battery is no longer delivering power and is very likely the main reason why the drill is not working. But I have a great idea to try bringing this battery back to life. First, I place a piece of tape marked with an X on the surface of the battery to mark the area I'll be working on. Next, I remove the outer casing of the battery to inspect the internal components. After taking a closer look, I noticed that quite a bit of dust and dirt has built up inside over time. So before moving on to the repair process, I decide to clean it first. First, I use a brush to remove the small dust particles stuck to the casing. Next, I continue brushing around the entire battery to clean it more thoroughly. Cleaning it first helps make the contact points and internal components cleaner, which also makes the inspection and repair process easier. In the next step, I use WD-40 to clean the components on the circuit board. First, I spray a small amount of WD-40 into a bottle cap so I can control the amount of liquid more easily during the cleaning process. Next, I dip a cotton swab into the liquid and begin cleaning the areas on the circuit board. This helps remove dust, light oxidation, and improves the electrical contact between the components. In the next step, I use an adapter as a temporary power supply to deliver power directly to the battery. First, I strip the ends of the 2 wires to prepare them for the connection. Next, I use the metal core from a terminal block as a connector between the adapter and the battery contact points. These metal cores help create a more stable connection and allow the current to flow more reliably during testing. I secure the two metal cores to the ends of the wires to complete the temporary power supply setup. After completing the connector setup, I connect the adapter wires to the two battery terminals. Finally, I plug the adapter into the power outlet to begin the temporary charging process. After about 15 minutes, I disconnect the power source and press the battery power button. This time, the indicator lights turn on again. That shows the battery has started to recover and can receive power once more. Next, I reassemble the battery casing as it was before. Now, I connect the battery to its original charger to fully recharge it. After about 20 minutes, the charger indicator changes to green, showing that the battery is now fully charged. To confirm, I test it again using the light bulb load. This time, the bulb lights up normally, proving that the battery can now deliver power again. Next, I attach the battery back to the drill and press the power switch. And as you can see, the drill is working again. Now it's time to test it in real-world conditions. This experiment shows that sometimes a battery that seems completely dead can still be revived if we inspect and handle it properly. With just a few simple repair steps, the drill is able to work normally again. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.